Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a 3D text effect corner perspective. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. The first step is to open an image, or you can write text on any background. Use Text tool to type your text. You can change the color of words. Use the Move tool to move the text. Right-click on the text thumbnail, then select Pixels. Use Ctrl+C or go to Edit Copy. Ctrl+D to deselect. Click on the eye to hide the layer, then add a new layer. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Select the Create Plane tool. Create a square. A grid appears. Then select the Edit Plane tool. Move the corners to create a depth perspective. The grid needs to turn blue for it to work properly. Select the Create Plane tool. Then click and drag the center to the right. Select the Edit Plane tool. Adjust the corners. The grid needs to turn blue. Paste your text you copied earlier by pressing Ctrl+V. Then select the Transform tool. Drag the text into the grid. Hold the Shift key when adjusting size. Change the blending mode to overlay. Add a new layer. Use the pen tool to make a selection on the right side of the box. Select the Brush tool. Round, black, 700 pixels, 0% hardness. Change the opacity to 20%. Brush to add shadows. Add a new layer. Use the pen tool to make a selection on the left side of the box. Select the Brush tool, round, white, 700 pixels, 0% hardness, opacity 20%. Brush to add light. Ctrl+D to deselect. This is the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.